Morning guys, guess where I'm going? I'm going to go and try and flag me a taxi out on the main road because I tried to ring me a taxi and what happened? Oh, because I've got an Australian number, I couldn't ring them, right? Keep bloody cutting off. So now I have to go and stand like a like a thing on the corner of the road and flag me a taxi. Anyway, because the ones that have phones are all gone to work, and my mum, my uncle and my cousin that's with me, we don't have numbers that we can ring, you know. So wish me luck with my taxi. Now you must be going to look for a taxi too. Okay. I better put my leg out, guys. Put my leg out. Okay. Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Next minute I stalk him. Okay, I have to look for a taxi. Across the road is a farm. Down there is like that little hospital. It's a little hospital. That's the same hospital that treated my dad's foot when he was, when they said in Samoa that they were going to chop his foot off. He comes to Auckland, to the Manukau hospital. Oh no, they didn't have to chop off his foot. Okay, I gotta try and stand here and flag me a taxi. Oh my gosh. Okay, wish me luck guys, wish me luck. I know, far out. I look like a... Oh, hey, wait, oh my gosh, am I spraining my ankle? Yeah, okay, waiting for a taxi. Waiting for a taxi. Can someone ring me a taxi? Can someone ring me a taxi please? That lives in New Zealand, Auckland, Manukau. Guadiana. Yeah, whakari. So, lost a taxi. Yeah, kalo lo yai. Ai sao leo. Wo vide ka ngaka whapea. Yele vale le kuku. Oh my gosh, Sparrow. Yeah, maua yama Sparrows le kuku i. Oh no, the rubbish truck. I better move. Rubbish truck might come pick me up. Oh, second Sparrow. There's a light colour Sparrow. Oh, bugger. Where did that man go though? Truck. Oh my god. My shoe. See, I dropped my shoe. Cinderella. Oh, sad. You know when you don't want taxis, they're driving past all the time. Now that I want one, it's always the case. Ý, đâu có cá luôn mấy lấy driver. Anga sau đây, avia Manukau. Oh, it's in the anga. Oh, actually, I'm going to Otara, guys. I'm going to Otara. I'm going to get me some mussels to semi-freeze or freeze. Pardon me. It's in the anga. Look here. Let's see. I want to get away, Otara. Oh, come on, taxi. Where are you, man? Taxi. Wait, look, guys. In New Zealand. Yeah, I love it. Hey, guys, I finally got myself a taxi. The kind taxi driver right here had returned because he saw me when he was passing by. So praise the Lord for that, eh? So anyway, I'm on my way to Otara. Gotta go and get my mussels to put in the chili bin for, you know. Okay. Oh, I'm feeling very happy because I don't have to stand there looking like a you know what, you know, out in the heat. Okay, guys. Okay, see you guys in Otara, okay? Bye. But guess what, guys? Haha. Okay, get some light. I'm here now in Otara. Try not to get run over. So I'm going to go look for a fish shop. Oh, there's some over there. Try not to get run over. Here goes Otara, guys. Yeah. Anyway, I just see which fish shop has some mussels that can shell for me. Oh, the Golden King Chinese food. I remember when that place first opened. Anyway, this place still open? No, that's shut. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna walk around, okay, and just show you guys Otara. Those that hasn't been around for a while. Yeah, I'll show you guys around. We're gonna find somewhere to stay. Find somewhere to go and walk. I mean, stay. Oh my gosh, look at me. It's so blooming. Oh my gosh, the trees are growing. Okay, gonna zoom it up a little bit so you guys can have a look. Okay, you get me some t-shirts. I'm gonna go in here and find me some t-shirts. Hi.
Hello.
Oh. You got the kids' t-shirts that's got Samoa on it? Have you got t-shirts with Otara written on it?
No Talofa. Yeah, sorry.
That's alright. Okay, thank you.
I got a mixture of stuff stuck in the mix.
We went to the pool. Nice big tops for the big mamas like myself. Size 26, wow. See ladies, if you guys have family or you're looking for big clothing, this place here in Otara has it. Nice tops to wear with your jean or your tights. It's nice. Now look, I'm coming to look for t-shirts and I come and start touching clothes. Now, see these kind of tops? I love this color, right? But I tell you what, man, when you sweat, girl, I want to make you sweat. Yeah, hi. Do you have any t-shirts with Otara written on it?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Dreads. Okay, bugger. Nice big cardigan. Oh, that's nice. Yep, nice. You got size 12 for the kids shirt like this one?
This pattern?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this one here.
This here, it's a different pattern. This pattern maybe no more.
Oh.
The stuff top in here.
Oh yeah, oh, yes, it looks like this size. I'll have a look.
Yeah.
How much are these shirts?
15.
Okay, thank you. So what's this size? Size 6. Anyway. Those for my mama. Okay, excuse me. How much are your moves over there?
$99.
Okay. So if I got a material inside more, $99. That's like double the money. Wait, I can see t-shirts. They have Otara. You got any t-shirts with Otara written on them? Yeah. Oh, okay, damn it. Okay. It's a nice shirt for my baby. That's nice. We like. Okay. Now look at this. How much are these necklaces? These ones. 40, eh? Mm. You got more?
Yes.
Where? Oh yeah, this side. Thank you. So they're all 40?
Yes.
Okay. So that one over there is similar to this one over here. See that one right up there in the corner? Yeah. Is it over here? I want that one, please.
Which one? You want
That,
the purple
yeah,
one?
yeah.
The gold one.
Yeah, the gold.
Put down for you.
Sorry. Oh, my shirt. So they're 99, eh? Those more, eh?
More like
How much are the bullet dussies?
79.
79. Oh, look at me. So these are done with offcuts, guys. Look, if you don't be careful, you won't notice the straight away. Lucky I look. So imagine taking it all the way over there. Then you notice that rubbish. So you got this one. Oh man, I like that purple one. Drats. Le faço so, ai, le se so. Ai le sa o le faingo lo lima lea, ai le se so o fasi ie. Ya, ai le be careful. Ya, ke ave le fale, ya, le fale kongu. What about this shirt? No. Let's change it to this one now. Okay, I better double check it. Double check. And I hope this fits him. Size 10. Yeah, okay. So you have it?
You want ready for him?
Yeah. Yeah. How much are your earrings here?
$10, $15.
Okay. Oh, these are prickly. How much are these?
It's $20 each.
$20 each. Okay. Give me this one, please. Oh, and the red one, please. And this one. Yes. And the white and red one, please. Oh, hang on. Yeah, well, you put that over there. I'll just go and go to the corner bank and get some money. I just remembered. Okay? So how many I've got? I need one more. So only I've got 4. Okay, one more. One more. Hang on.
These two.
Yeah.
The last of them.
You know, it's a big A. Yeah, okay. Yeah, get that for me. I'll go get the money. I'll come back. Where's the bag?
White horses down. You be riding 6 white horses when she comes, when she comes. You be riding 6 white horses. Right. You be riding 6 white horses when she comes. Singing high.
Yeah.
And how much did you give?
How many money did you pay?
Just one.
That's that place where a lot of people get their stuff, their food when they come to Otara. Just trying to look for oh, far out. Okay, gotta go out. There's music in here. Oh my gosh, there's a laundry here too. Oh, 2 laundries. Do you have any spare change, please? Any spare change, please? Okay guys, oh well, this one, look at this place, it's got an A. Oh no, I'd rather buy some food and take home, share with my family. Today's my last day of hanging out with them. Oh, you guys, that noise, oh my gosh. This is that roast place where they have nice roast dinners. Okay guys, anyway, hang on, I gotta come to the fish shop. Where's the fish shop? Far out, where is the fish shop? Okay. Okay, still a fish shop here. What happened to the fish shop? Excuse me, where's a fish shop around here? There used to be one along here. It's just there?
Yeah.
Oh, I was almost there.
Yeah, that one keep walking around too.
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, thanks. Oh, there it is. Far out, I didn't see it yesterday. Blind. Well, it probably wasn't even open yesterday. Look at those big girls. Oh, sorry, I'm walking a bit fast. There you go, fish shop. Okay, we're gonna have a look. Yeah, no, this place wasn't open yesterday. Okay. So there goes some mussels. Okay, let's go inside.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you...
I'll pay for it. I'll leave it here and I'll just go down there and come back and pick it up, okay?
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
This is treble. $96.
Yeah. Can you give me a receipt, please? Thank you. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit, okay? So I got me some mussels for my husband, because that's what he'll want to eat. Yeah. So, eh? Okay. So what's that place? Anyway, I'm so glad I got the mussels. Now I can go and buy some food, hot food. Okay, I want to show you guys this roast in Otara that my sister and I had to feed here. Guys, it's so nice. And they even give you this piece of crackle, right? And it's the bum tickety. Yep. Boy. And it just opened up, so they must have been cooking stuff, you know? Did she just say the C word? Okay. Right. gonna get a roast pork meal, guys.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Can I have a roast pork meal, please?
Pork meal.
Yeah, roast pork.
What's your camera there?
It's for my YouTube channel.
Huh?
For my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube. Okay, this dude don't want me to
Sorry.
film. It's alright. It's alright. It's up to you. It's your shop.
No, sorry.
Yeah, gotta cut it out, guys. Never mind. I still
Sorry.
buy his pork meal. Okay, sorry, made of fussy. Jokes.